What is up, fams? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to play Sammie, Come With Me. Today's lesson was requested by Moneteo, so shout out to you, bro. Without further ado, let's get into it. So for the first part, what you want to do is you want to go to the 4th fret. You want to put your index finger right here, your middle finger on this string here, and your ring finger here. So what you're going to do is you're going to play this string, this string, this string. So first chord, and then you're going to place your finger, your pinky here. Or if you want, you can place your pinky there in the beginning, if that makes it easier for you. So second part, index here, middle, ring. So nothing on this string, but covering the string here, that, and this one right there. So, and the strings I'm picking are so what you have so far is and then this part here. So slide your finger here. So and then next chord, index here, middle finger here, ring finger here. So strings I'm picking are 1. So you catch that? So what it's going to sound like so far is next chord, open bass string, and covering this string here with my index and my ring finger on this one. So far you've got next part, this one here. So and back to the beginning part, beginning chord. If you didn't catch that, so it goes. So index here, middle finger here, and ring finger on this one. So and I'm gonna slide all my fingers, leaving them in the same position. 2 frets over. So. The chord after that, you're going to move your index finger over to the next fret, but you're going to cover these strings here. So index finger here, your ring finger here, and your ring finger here, your middle finger on this string. So what you have is this one, this tune so far. And then the last chord, which is your middle finger, index finger, ring finger, and pinky. There's that last chord. And then the chord just before the first chord. This one's a bit of a stretch, so all my fingers are on the same string. It's just moving them into the right position. So, and then you move your fingers right here. So this one is on the 5th fret, this is on the 4th fret, 6th and 7th. So if you got Spider-Man fingers, you're all good. So, and then back to the beginning. So I'll play that part so you understand where that's coming from. So, so this is what it sounds like when you put it all together. So. And there you have it, fams, how to play Sammie, Come With Me. That song was requested by Monoteo, so shout out to you once again, bro. If you guys have any other requests, or I'll just keep posting up songs. In the meantime, guys, stay safe, take care, God bless, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.